Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here.
Today we're making wire flower earring hooks. You will need flush cutters, flat pliers, round nose pliers, and I'm using Bead bail making pliers. Nylon jaw pliers are optional, and you'll need a cup burr. I have the Bead wire rounder. I am using 20 gauge half hard argentium silver wire. We are going to use 5 inches of 20 gauge silver wire and bend it at about 1.5 inches, and then we are going to go ahead and form the flower. So we are using our precision round nose pliers, and we are bending the wire back and forth to make 6 petals. So just use the tip of your round nose pliers and just go back and forth to make 6 even petals, working our way around the circle. And we're just going to bring them up, back towards the top, back and forth. I will link up these tools in the description below the video. So now we've done our 6 petals, and we're going to make sure the one wire goes straight down, and we are going to put a 4mm miracle bead on that wire so it goes to the middle of the flower. And just adjust it so the bead sits right in there. You might have to wiggle it around a little bit, and you may have to get your flat nose pliers just to press the wires down so the bead pops up through the middle. So you can keep doing any little adjustments that you need. You can also use the nylon jaw pliers for this part if you're worried about scratching the wire. And you can adjust the petals if you need to pinch them in a little bit more. And from there, we are going to bend the wire out at a right angle and then clip it to about 3/8 to 1/2 inch. And we want to form a centered closed loop at the bottom. So we're going to bring that wire around into a closed loop. Now to form the hook, we're going to bend the wire towards the front on an angle, and then with the bail making pliers, we are going to bring the wire around into a hook formation, making sure that it's centered. And then we want to just give it a little jog to make it a little bit of an angle, and we're going to soften up that end with the wire rounder. So there are the hooks as is. And then you can use a head pin or make your own head pin to dangle down a little extra bead.
So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.